Welcome back. Goa Art and Literary Festival will be held at Kala Academy from 13 to 17 December. 63 eminent personalities from the field of art and literature across the globe will be participating in the mega festival. Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir Omar Abdullah will inaugurate 5-day-long festival in presence of Governor of Goa Bharat Vervanchu. This year, festival will be showcasing Kashmir.
This will be the third edition of Goa Art and Literary Fest. Jammu and Kashmir CM Omar Abdullah will be inaugurating Gulf on 13 December. 63 eminent delegates from India and abroad will be participating in this fest. The Goans participating include Literator Damodar Mauzo, Maria Aurora Couto, Victor Angel Ribeiro, Vishnu Wagh and fashion designer Wendell Rodrigues. Writer Damodar Mauzo is hopeful that this event will overcome all shortcomings of the previous two events. He said Art and Literary Fest will showcase Goa in the right spirits.
He's very excited and we are also very excited to know about him. You know, he had roots in Goa, but he had never been to Goa. These are the people in diaspora who have excelled in literature. So we are very happy. We are also very excited about this event, and I hope this year's event will overcome what we have failed in the last two.
Nandini Sahani briefed about the theme for this year's Gulf, the Goa Art and Literary Fest 2012.
This year we are showcasing Kashmir, and the Kashmir government has been very kind enough to sponsor this event also, and because of that we have with us for the inaugural one of the chief guests will be guest of honor will be the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Shri Omar Abdullah.
Festival will host one of its events at Raj Bhavan, apart from the events at the Kala Academy and Azad Maidan.
Also, the governor has been very kind in helping us in getting this Kashmir component, and he is also very fond of literature and music and culture. So he is offered to host one evening for us at the Raj Bhavan. So on 14th we will be having an evening performance at the Raj Bhavan.
A senior reporter, Laukik Shilkar.
Now news from sports. Goa boys and girls had a fine day in the National School Games baseball and tug-of-war event on Tuesday. The host won all their matches in under-19 baseball and tug-of-war. The state teams look good for medals.
Goa defeated Delhi by 2 home runs in the under-19 boys baseball. Goa beat Maharashtra by 8 home runs to 1 and thrashed Chandigarh by 11 home runs in the girls baseball event. In tug-of-war, Goa girls beat Daman and Diu, while the boys defeated Tamil Nadu and Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Our reporter from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu.
Tejas Shevde is Goa's tennis champion. The youngster from Murgaon won 2 singles titles at the State Tennis Championship organized by Goa State Tennis Association with support of Sports Authority of Goa. Tejas won the men's singles and under-18 boys singles titles in the championship at Club Tennis the Gaspardise.
Goan tennis is at a developmental stage and is not a very popular sport here. The reasons are varied, but importantly, the association needs to be proactive and make the sports work. Tennis is a lucrative sport, but for youngsters to rise to the level of at least the national standard, it will take a lot of hard work from the association as well as the players. In such circumstances, Tejas Shevde stands out as he has progressed to a fairly good level. The 15-year-old won men's single as well as under-18 boys title at this state championship. Rajinder Gudino and Steve Gomes won men's double title, defeating Sachin Dukle and Kevin Ribello. Goa State Tennis Association President Ramakant Angle, Chief Guest Gaurish Dhon and others presented the prizes. A video journalist from Miramar, Dinesh Karpe.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/PrudentMedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.